Hello everyone, my name is Andy. The European markets are closing, so let's have a look at the FTSE futures on the Wanda platform. What did we get today? What can we expect for tomorrow, Thursday, October 19th? For the record, today is Wednesday, October 18th. Time is around 6:15 p.m. GMT. So I've been too early with calling for my wave A or the end of the wave A. We took out this low right here, which means that the five waves were situated as you can see them here before or until yesterday. I was calling for the wave A finished right here because, in my opinion, this was taking a bit too long to make the fifth wave. But okay, we did, and we took out this low. So then it means that the wave A should be situated right here, and now we only started to work on our wave B, while previously I thought that the wave B might have been situated right here, so that we would have a shallow wave B, but apparently it was a wave 4. So then I would say, if this is our high and we're having this ABC structure, then the next thing to do is to go towards our wave B area, which we can find by taking the length of our wave A, and then the wave B area is situated between the zero point 0.5 and the 0.854 fib retracement. But as you can see, we already came quite close to the wave B area. So typically what we have as a wave B is three waves, because it is corrective. So we should see something like this. That would be yeah, the, let's say, the natural path to go there. But at the same time, sometimes it happens that like that this wave, like that this ABC might be situated somewhere here. And if this is the case, then you only know afterwards, unfortunately. So I will further monitor this. Let's see which additional data we get. But so ideally, we get something like this here. Let me see from which fib level we reacted. Yeah. Yeah, we are already quite close to the wave B area. So if we would go, it's hard to say. I will need more data. If we look at the 15 minutes, can I see something there? What do we have here from here? So 2, 3. No, I'm afraid I will need more data, but this is the pattern we are typically looking for as a wave B. So we would like to reach this area here, the wave B area, and the way to go there would be in three waves. And yeah, so far here in the 15 minutes, like this looks like an impulse, like a wave A, which is not finished yet. We would need a wave 4 here, then a wave 5 down, then we have our A, then we need something corrective as a wave B, and then another wave C down. So let's see what we get tomorrow, and anyway, I'm providing an update in tomorrow's video. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.